Hi and welcome to Paints and Glitter. My name is Raquel and today I'm going to share with you how I make this adorable toucan card. I have created the base using Daisy May Studio dies. However, I created everything else using the Kokorosa Studio dies that I'll be sharing with you today. All links will be down below for your purchase and also my discount code that you can use. As you can tell here, what I did was cut the base using a circular die, which I then folded, and I now am adding my second panel here of another circle that will be the exact same size as what I used for the base. Then I'm adding this panel here. I've colored my papers using oxide inks from Ranger as well as Nuvo sprays. So I've got a lot of different greens here. I've got some oranges, pinks, all of it I did myself by just hand coloring the paper using the different colors that I really thought would play well with this set. And of course, tons of shine, just something that I really enjoy. Here are the leaves that I cut out. And then the little toucan. Super easy to assemble. All you have to do is cut out the little pieces and then add them as much as you like or as little as you like. I happen to love a lot of detail on my cards as well as dimension. So from here on out, what you will see is myself just adding the little pieces all the way around. I really had a lot of fun creating this, and I hope that you do enjoy the process that you're watching. Of course, if you do have any questions about the assembly, one thing I can tell you is I did do an unboxing video or a haul video, so you can see all of the dies there. You can also pause the video or just reach out to me in the comments. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I look forward to sharing with you the rest of the adorable projects that I've made with the rest of the Kokorosa Studio dies that I picked up this month. They are all super easy to use and just a lot of fun. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. I'll leave you to watch. And as I always say, I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. I quickly wanted to mention also that these dies will fit into a smaller machine, so you don't have to worry if you don't have one of the larger ones. If you're on a budget and you do have one of the smaller die cut machines, this is going to be perfect for you. So enjoy creating, and once again I do thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.